Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. So we just ordered for a Dizo GoPods recently on Flipkart at the price of 2,999, and it is powered by Realme and it has the same features identical to Realme EARPODS 2. And coming to the specs, it has Bluetooth 5.2 with the transparency mode and with active noise cancellation. It is powered by R2 chip and has bass and boost algorithm. Coming to the conclusion, after having some gaming sessions with my friends, the footsteps are so clear when you're playing PUBG or Free Fire. It's good to go for gaming as well as for music. The music is well and crystal clear. We can find the bass and the beats, and the battery backup was too good. I watched a full season of Peaky Blinders. I could find only 40% of the battery was used for a whole season 6. The touch controls are good, but the design is too much kind of a slippery. You definitely need a pouch. And this headphone has a IPX5 water resistant. It's a good headphone for workout sessions and jogging stuff. What I liked about Dizo was they had a USB this. When I unboxed Oppo Enco Buds in my last video, I couldn't find the USB. At this price range, it's definitely worth it. You can check my rating. Comment your thoughts about this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.